5 years from now, when we talk about this game, who will we talk about the most?
Michael Beasley is the name.
Michael Beasley.
Michael Beasley.
Michael Beasley.
You know, when I hear Michael Beasley, I think confidence.
Sky's the limit if he wants it.
He's a kid that the dream is going to become a reality.
Michael Beasley is a beast.
AKA the seasoned veteran.
Michael Beasley, he's a beast.
He's a man-child. He can do whatever he wants at any given point in time.
A lot of
Michael Beasley is a beast.
Whew.
In the kindergarten, he cut off a little girl's ponytail. For some reason, the teacher thought, you know, that he mooned her, but he didn't. His pants were so big.
Mooned my teacher? That was, first grade? I really don't know what I was thinking. I just know when I got home, it wasn't a pretty sight.
How you doing, ref?
Good,
okay, right?
I'm fine.
Okay, good. Hey, yo. Hey, get the females off the court. I got love. Kevin, how you doing, sir? How you doing, love? Huh? My bad, baby. My bad. Oh, you ugly as nonsense.
Yo! Be easy, Mike Beasley!